Have you ever wondered about the causes of yawning? Yawning is a complex physiological process that has intrigued scientists for years. While the exact reasons for yawning are not fully understood, several theories have been proposed to explain this seemingly simple yet mysterious behavior. 1. Brain cooling hypothesis. One theory suggests that yawning helps cool down the brain when its temperature rises. When we yawn, we take in a deep breath, which increases blood flow and promotes the exchange of cool air, potentially reducing brain temperature. 2. Oxygen carbon dioxide